What's the meaning of bough? Bough. Bough.
Bough. Bough. A bough is a large branch of a tree. It is typically thicker than a twig or small branch, but not as large or substantial as the trunk. Boughs usually grow outward from the main trunk of the tree and can provide support for leaves, flowers, and fruit. They also play an important role in the tree's overall structure, helping to distribute weight and provide stability. Boughs can be used in many different ways, such as for building, firewood, or decoration. In summary, a bough is a significant branch of a tree that serves several important purposes.